A. Yeah, it actually works. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make a practice paper for my preschool. So this is an Abeka format template, and I'll be sharing it with you in the description. Just you can download it and make it for your kids. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna laminate this, and I'm gonna write his first name on the first line, and then he's gonna copy it on the succeeding lines using a marker, a dry erase marker, and you can erase it after you laminate it. So I'm gonna laminate it after printing it.
Can I get it out?
Okay, you can help. You can get it when you're done. So as you can see, the line is a really nice line. It's like a house. So the first two is this is where the kid is gonna write the letters in the top part, the first two lines, and then the like letters J and G, that's for the down, like the downstairs line. So it would give your kid a guide, especially for like kids that are just starting to write. So use a thicker paper as well. I used a thicker paper. So we're done printing it. We're done printing it. Now we're gonna laminate it. So here's my laminating plastic. My plastic laminator. It's a 5mm, I think. And I'm gonna laminate it here in a little bit. But first, before you laminate it, write the name of your kid in here, and maybe something else like his age, or if it fits. So that's what we're gonna do. So we got my laminator here. I'm trying to wait until it turns red, and we're gonna laminate it. Abraham. So. Made it. We're just gonna center this thing, centered on the plastic paper, which is hard to do because I'm holding the camera, but I'll fix it here. It's right. So now so make sure you put it in right. So let's put it back a little bit so you can see it. So now it's laminating. Okay, run it over one more time, Naomi. Put it inside. So we're gonna run it one more time. Naomi's gonna help me. Hold on. Make sure it's in the middle. So this is the final product. So Abraham is gonna like write he could trace the name and then copy it in the next lines so he could improve his penmanship. And I'm gonna make one for Naomi in cursive. I'll show it to you in a little bit. I printed for my first grader. This year I'm gonna print her a cursive one because she said she wants to do it too. So I'm gonna print it, and then I'm gonna laminate it. So I had to erase a little bit. So there's Naomi, Janet, Oman. What do you want to put here in the extra space?
First grade, and I love you, Mom.
That's nice. I don't think it's gonna fit. I'm gonna put first grade. So I'm gonna put first grade so she can copy it if she wants to. So first, so like Naomi, you're covering it. First. I think my T is too close. It's okay though. Grade. Not sure if I'm doing their lettering perfectly, but there you go. So that, so we can laminate it now. Bend it up. Make sure there's no dust or any particles sticking in it. So like there's hair. So clean it up, and then this is almost done. We're gonna run it one more time. One more time. A two. Oh no, no, my toddler already wrote pencil in it. And my baby wrote the pencil. So here's the cursive and here's the print. Right, alright.
Can I?
No, it works.
It is another one.
A. Yeah, it actually works. A. It's a little bit thicker, but it will make them be able to practice the lines. So it actually works.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Mama.
And use my fingers. So you could just erase it, see it easily erases, but I'm gonna use like something so that it would not smear like this. So when I use my hands to erase it, it doesn't erase very good, but I'm gonna use a wipes. Let's see if it erases better. So it does erase better if you use a wipe. You could even erase the pencil marks. So easy cleanup and you save paper. Janet, keep it curved, slanted to the right. T. Up from the roof.